What is CI/CD in DevOps? Explained in 2 minutes. Everywhere you look in software companies, you hear CI/CD, CI/CD. But what exactly is CI/CD? Why is it so crucial for firms? How does it work? And how does it benefit companies? Let's dive into these questions. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery, or Continuous Deployment. It's a set of practices and tools designed to improve the software development process. Continuous delivery ensures that code changes are automatically prepared for release to production. After CI, the code is automatically tested, and the software is deployed to a staging environment, where it can be reviewed and tested further. Here's how it works: developers push code changes to a shared repository. CI tools automatically build and test the code to catch issues early. Once tested, the code moves to the CD pipeline, where it's automatically deployed to staging environments for further testing. If everything checks out, it's ready for production. CI/CD offers several benefits to companies. It accelerates the development process by catching errors early and automating repetitive tasks. This leads to faster release cycles and more reliable software. Plus, it enhances collaboration among team members and improves overall code quality. For firms, CI/CD means delivering software faster and with higher quality. It reduces manual work, shortens the time to market, and allows for quick feedback and iteration. This helps companies stay competitive and responsive to market demands. Subscribe for more insights and tips on improving your development process with CI/CD.